Welcome back, guys. So you got a tree on the roof of the Panda. I'm just at the deer farm, just going to go and check the fondant situation. The poor old Panda runs out of MOT tomorrow, so we've got to start fixing the little bits. Like I think it's just going to want an exhaust from the back exhaust end, and a bushes on the back, because the year before I did quite a few bits to it. I've just got it out of limp mode because the engine light was on after going through the water. So we just, before I come up here, I contact cleaned with electrical contact cleaner, just disconnected loads of the electric plugs to do with the throttle, and cleaned them with a contact cleaner, and that's put the engine light off. What it is, I know what it is. There's a electric plug socket that plugs into the top of the carburetor for the butterfly valve thing, where the rubber around the top of it's perished. So when you go through too much water or deep water and it splashes up on top of the engine, it goes down in that rubber and then into where the pins are. And when I disconnected them, there was green corrosion, so I cleaned it all off and it's sorted it out. It's back like a rally car again. So yeah, it's bloody cold today. Last night we had a hard frost, I think. So it's just checking the fondant on the bees. One of my hives in the garden's active. Rob random bees, they're active. They've been tucking a lot of dead out lately. See what these ones are doing and top up their fondants. I've got a smoker and some fondants. And that's it. We're not doing anything else. That's it. So yeah, all the bees are tucked away. Got no activity at all up here. So I'm just gonna lift the lids and just switch out fondants and stuff. That's it. Right, so they've all still got plenty of fondant. The only one I couldn't see any bees in is this one, but I've got a feeling they'll be in the very bottom. But yeah, can't open them up or not. So we've seen bees in all the others at the tops at the food, so they're all good. So yeah, we've got the other farm now. We've got that tree on the roof of the Panda to plant. Job done. Didn't even light the smoker. Easy. So I'll see you back when we're at the next farm, up the well, I'm at the farm. It's going to be wet, and today I need to get the car right down near the aperie, so I'm going to have to go across the field and not down the track and walk across, because I've got all these trees to take. Although I suppose I could just walk it and not be such a lazy boy. We'll see. The GoPro says it's running out of battery, even though I've not used it for 2 weeks. So it runs itself out of battery. I don't know why. Stupid, annoying thing. Might have to get another battery, I reckon. Or power pack. The old boy's shot blasting, look. Looks like a spaceman, doesn't he? He shot blasts the clothing recycling bins. I beep at him, make him fall off his ladder. He's in his own little shot blasting world, isn't he? So we got to go across the fields. It's not fucking good. Oh my lord. Yeah, maybe we're not going across there. Definitely not. That will fuck me up. Maybe along that side. Or maybe not. I'm definitely not going across that. Look at it. There's not a gate, you see, down there. And I can't quite get to the other gate. I could go back and go through that field, I suppose. Over there. But that's just as shit as this. This is looking like the cleanest route. Let's have a look. My only worry is there's bits of fence or shit. We might make it through this way. Nah, this is going to be bad. Yeah, no, not today, Mark. Not today, my old fruitcake. Back that shit up. So it says you're not going back. We'll allow you to go forward. Oh, fuck it. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Gotta lever it up there, man. If you just see what we drove over, you'd think, you twat. Yeah, we ain't going that way, that's for sure. That just fully boggied up the car. So we're walking across the field today with trees. Oh god dear. Oh my days. Because I don't want to crap it up. I've got to clean it. Runs out of MOT tomorrow. Oh my god. So much work to do on it. Not really, but getting it clean is going to be a job in its own. And then I think we're going to have to sell the little bad boy. My baby Panda. And then get rid of the caddy and get a pickup, I reckon. And then we got one B unit, one vehicle, one problem. Because if it's got tits or tyres, you know it's going to give you fucking problems, you know. Oh, a bit of water, look, we'll just clean that shit off that we just got in. Oh well. We'll have a little walkies today. Today would have been a nice day for metal detecting, wouldn't it? Oh, that's getting deep and all. Yeah, today would be a nice day for metal detecting. See, oh look, I could get through there. Ah. But then I've got to tackle all that field. It's just too wet. Because then I've got to tackle that side of that field. Or this side's worse than that side. And you can't really get round this. Oh, the predicament. Right, it's a new plan, we're going to go this way. Stick on this dirt. The rocks. That was a bad idea, man. Let's go that way. Well, we're in. We'll struggle to get out of that though when we go back. Yeah, this is a bad idea today. Yeah. Bad idea, Matt, bad idea. I'm bailing out of this, boys. Yeah, so I'm bailing out of this. I'm going back out of there and I'll drive down the track and then I'm walking across. It ain't happening today. Because I don't really want to really mess up the Panda, obviously. And I don't want to chew the shit out of the fields with it. Because it's just, when it's alright until it spins like shit crazy and then it just chews up. So, yeah, I'm just going to go back out the way I just come in, which was a struggle, and then go along track and I'll just walk across. Stop being lazy, Mark. Surveying the mud, because I'm thinking in my head I've got to deep clean it anyway. Everywhere's got to be really cleaned, So I'm just thinking in my head, you know, like a logical thing, what's a little bit more mud gonna matter? Jesus, look at it. I noticed from the floods, it pushed the plastic back right up in there. She needs some loving, doesn't she? Yeah, I am just thinking, well, look at it. Is it gonna matter that I'll put a bit more on it, a bit more mud on it? I've got a new bumper, remember? Because, you know, today's the last day and then it's MOT time, and then I'm planning on selling her up. She ain't worth a lot, but, you know, someone will make use of her. So, do we just go for it? But look at that, that's bad, man. It is bad. It's just too slippy. It's like you're just wheel spinning. So I think I'm bailing out and going back out there. Or am I? So that's the trees all planted up in that aperie. Hopefully they'll take. So just have to wait. Wait and see. So I'm done for the day on the bees. Take this Panda back. Maybe wash it while I'm up here. See if the jet washers around there. Try and blast some of the stuff off with a powerful generator washer. Power washer. Yeah, and then I think we'll change the bumper for the MOT. And then have a good old going over it, cleaning it, looking what it needs. Put it in for its MOT. I know it needs exhaust. I could probably bodge it up, but it's not that dear for like the bit that I need. And then yeah, if it needs too much of the MOT, I'll just scrap it, sell it as a scrapper. Even though she's a good old gal, because I don't want to be spending too much money on it. If it's not much for the MOT, I'll MOT it, tidy her up and then sell her, because we need a pickup. I ain't got to worry about a little trailer then, or running two vehicles. It's lovely and sunny today. Look at that. No deer in the apiary. It's so wet though. Yeah, that's done. Planting done.